Welcome once again. Do you know that we have three major types of fraction? We have what we call proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Now, what we have on the board, they are called what? All of these are called what? Improper fraction. Why are they called improper fraction? Because the numerator is bigger or larger than what? The denominator. So we want to convert this to what? A mixed fraction. So what is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So let's go to solve this, and you learn how to convert this to mixed fraction. Also, one thing you should know is that when you are solving question that has to do with fraction, and you get to this point where your answer is improper fraction, you don't leave your answers like this. What do? You convert it to a mixed fraction. You don't leave your answer like this. You do what? You convert it to a mixed fraction. So let's go to solve. So how do you do this? Now, how many times can you get 3 from 7? We have to do our division. So you notice that we can get 3 from 7. How many times? 2 times. That is 2. And that 2 is what? Our whole number. Now, what is the remainder when you remove the multiplication of this and this from this? That will be 6. 7 minus 6 will give us what? 1 over 2. And that is the answer to that particular question. Now, let's go to the next one. We have 20 over 6. Now, when you have something like this, it can be divided. We have a common factor. 2 is a common factor. 2 here is 3. And 2 here is what? 10. So what we have left is what? 10 over 3. We convert again. How many times will you get 3 from 10? It is what? 3 times. The remainder is 1. And then this our denominator. Still remains our denominator. So we'll go to the next one. How many times can you get 5 from 14? 5 into 14 is what? 2 times. What will be the remainder? The remainder is 4. Our denominator is what? Still remains 5. Let's go to the next one. We have a common factor here, which is 2. 2 here is 2. 2 here is what? 3. So we have 3 over 2. So how many times can you get 2 from 3 is 1. That will be one whole number. That will give us one whole number. 1 over 2. Now we'll go to the next one. How many times can you get 3 from 17? To make it easier for you, just multiply 3. What is the number that if you multiply it, it will give you either 17 or a number close to what? 17. I will notice that this is what? 3 times 5 will give us 15. So our whole number will be what? Will be 5. The remainder is 2 over and then 3. So in the comment section, I want you to solve this for me, 7 over 4. I believe you've learned something on how to convert fraction. In the comment section, solve that question on the board. And then if you have questions to ask, drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be right there to attend to you. You can also share our content with others if you've actually learned something from us today. Thank you.